Hey guys, how's everything? How you guys doing? It is hot today and very sunny in Florida. Actually, I wasn't gonna do a video, but I decided to do so. Might help somebody because it's hard to find this repair in YouTube. So I'm working on a 2016 C300 4Matic, and I'm working on the rear control arm. I'll show you. Actually, I already started and everything. I took the old one off, but I'm gonna walk you through the process. And this is I'm working on the passenger side right here. As you can see, the car got hit right here and then pushed this thing all the way in. And this is what I replaced. They hit the tire until they bent the arm right here, and this is the new one. You see how straight it is? Look at this one, it's all fucked up. All right, anyways, you got two bolts. Here's one, and one is all the way down there, right here. You're gonna need this tool right here. Actually, it's a 12 point, but I used this and it worked. 6 point, which is T55. At T55, you can use 6 point or 12 point. This is what it looks like right there. So 12 point. And the nut is 18 millimeter. So you see that nut right there? Let me show you. Right over, right there. Let me turn this over so you can see better. So this nut right here, all the way down right there, right here, it's 18 millimeter, and the other side has the 12 point female bolt. So what I did, I screwed the nut first. This is the nut right here. Released the nut first, then I worked on this. But on the inside, you're not gonna be able, if you have this wrench right here, it's too thick. So what I did is I used the Allen wrench right here to hold the bolt right there, and that actually worked. You can use Allen wrench too. So I held it with this and then started removing the knot a little bit at a time because it's a tight space right there. But the good thing on the back bolt, you can, as soon as you take the knot off, you can actually hit the bolt. Hit that bolt this way, it will come out. But this one has got thread on the inside all the way in, as you can see. So you're gonna have to remove the nut by itself and then unscrew the bolt. So this is basically it. When you take the old one off, just make sure you put it the way you took it off. Don't flip it this way or mess it up. And another thing, when you install the new one, don't put this side on the left side. This always on the right side, okay? And you screw your bolt back in, make sure they're tight, and you're good to go. And that's all for this video. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more videos. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. You have a good day. Thank you.